Hello and welcome to another episode of Art Walks. Today we're exploring the Sobey Art Award Exhibition at the National Gallery of Canada. This exhibition showcases 6 shortlisted artists, with Nico Williams taking home the top prize. While all the works in the exhibition are impressive, in this video I'll be highlighting my personal favorites. First up is Taqralik Partridge's Tuktujuq, an immersive installation that feels like stepping into another dimension. The experience reminded me of Yayoi Kusama's Infinity Rooms, surreal, all-encompassing, and deeply memorable. It's a work that demands to be experienced in person, where the atmosphere and reflections transport you to somewhere else entirely. Nico Williams was awarded the 2024 Sobey Art Award, and his work truly stands out. At first glance, these pieces might seem like everyday objects, but as you move closer, the meticulous detail becomes clear. Each one is entirely constructed from tiny glass beads. The craftsmanship is stunning. One of the most fascinating ideas Williams mentioned is how these works, made by hand with so much care and labor, become untouchable once placed in a gallery. There's something almost magical about that transition, from tactile, handcrafted objects to sacred, untouchable art. Judy Chartrand's work is another highlight. These clay pieces are deceptive in the best way. At first, they look like ordinary objects, but when you realize they're sculpted entirely from clay, the level of detail becomes incredible. Her works have a strong presence in the exhibition, and while there are many to choose from, Homage to Elwood Friday and White Fantasies were the ones that resonated with me the most. This exhibition is a fantastic showcase of contemporary Canadian art, and these works truly need to be seen in person to be fully appreciated. If you're in Ottawa, I highly recommend visiting the National Gallery and experiencing them for yourself. And if you can't make it, I hope this video gives you a glimpse into what makes this exhibition so special. Thanks very much for joining me on this art walk. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more. Until next time, keep exploring and stay inspired.